Welcome to Gratitude and Unfolding. Some days it hits me how absolutely miraculous this whole existence thing is. I'm grateful for the small things most people push past. That first sip of tea in the morning, still hot when the world is quiet and everything feels impossible. The way the sunlight catches the dust particles dancing in a beam, like tiny universes spinning their own silent story. The soft breath of a sleeping child, the unexpected text from an old friend, the barista who remembers your name. But it's more than just the pretty moments. I'm grateful for the hard stuff too, the struggles that carved me into who I am. Those nights I thought I couldn't go on, but somehow I did. The breakups that taught me about myself, the failures that became my greatest teachers, every single challenge that showed me I'm stronger than I ever believed. Thank you to God, universe, whatever you call it, for the breath in my lungs, for the ground beneath my feet, for the wild, unpredictable, beautiful mess of being alive. Thank you for the second chances and new beginnings, for healing, for the ability to love, to lose, to learn, to grow, for the music that understands us when the words fail, for strangers who become friends, and for friends who become family. And now we breathe. Remember that we are part of something bigger, that our pain, our joy, our mere existence is a miracle, that we are connected to each other, to this earth, and to something greater than ourselves. Breathe. Take a moment to breathe in peace and breathe out gratitude. You are here, you are enough, and you are loved. And so it is.